How do they snap it? Bend over.
Skip to my Lou, my darling.
Hi guys, it's Lou. So every winter I kind of go through this wanting a little bit of a change, and I think about changing the color of my hair. I'm not sure if I want to make it a dark color, maybe my natural color, which is a very ashy blonde, or I've even thought platinum in the past, but today we are going to actually go through with coloring my hair red. Not so much of a red, but it's kind of in between red and strawberry blonde. Now, I'm always worried about damaging my hair. I already do put highlights in it, and for that reason I chose Madison Reed hair color, and I'm going to show you how simple that was. They have a little quiz where you fill out the information of whether or not you color your hair, if you have gray, what your natural color is, all that stuff, and what color you want to go. And I came up with copper blonde. And here it is. It came in the mail. And that's what's pretty cool about Madison Reed, is they ship your color to you just in time to, you know, do your roots. Anyway, okay, so we're gonna open this and color my hair. My hair is not clean, as is the rest of me, and I don't have any product in my hair, which I think is important. Here's what you get in the mail. All this stuff and some directions, which we are going to follow precisely. Activator, the actual color, gloves, a cap, cleansing wipe, barrier cream, and shampoo and conditioner. So apparently I'm supposed to put barrier cream around here so that my face does not also get red. And I'm gonna follow directions. It smells delicious. The directions are both for touch-up color and all over color, and we're gonna do all over. I have got to divide my hair in 4 different sections. So here we go. Down the middle. I'm a little nervous now, but I've committed. I've been committed. So there's no turning back now. Now we shake this for 20 seconds. I look really good right now. I think that was 20. Let's start with the top left. Maybe I should start with the back of my hair that's darker. I don't know. Oh, gloves. That would be funny. How do they snap it? Bend over. My husband's all excited about me being a redhead because he can pretend that I'm somebody else. I get it. All right, start at the roots. And this is probably going to take some time, so I will forward through it. Okay, bye. And I believe I am thoroughly covered. I've gone through it with my fingers. You could also use a wide tooth comb and Bye Bye Blonde Hair. Hello Red. It does not have that ammonia-y smell that I can smell on other people after they've dyed and washed their hair. I can still smell it. This, I don't smell anything. I think what I smell is the gloves. So there those go. And now I have to put on a shower cap. I'm gonna wait now 35 minutes. Put this bad boy on. I will catch you guys on the flip side with a different color hair. I'm scared. No, I'm really not. It's just hair. And it's gonna be good. Okay, bye. All right, you guys, it's been about 37 minutes, so I'm gonna go wash this out. I will be right back. Don't be so freakish. Look, you guys, Abby and I have the same color hair. She hates being held. Look at that. She's my big girl. Now we match. Twins. All right, so here I am with red hair. It is pretty much exactly what I expected it to be and what I wanted it to be. Like I said before, red, but not too red, and a little bit darker than strawberry blonde. I don't think I curled the back very well, but there's that. My hair feels really soft. It smells just like shampoo, not like that after dyeing smell. Not dying, but dying. A lot of blondes go red or even brunette because of how they're treated as a blonde or how they're perceived as a blonde. And I get that. I too get a feeling that people automatically make a judgment about my intelligence according to the color of my hair. I know that sounds crazy, but until someone hears me start talking, I think they think I'm dumb. Anyway, you guys, that's it for this video where I color my hair red with Madison Reed. If you'd like your very own red hair or brown hair, black hair, pretty much whatever color you want, there will be a coupon code down below for 15% off your first order as well as free shipping. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't already subscribed but would like to be, please hit that button down below and you'll see me very soon with more videos. Bye, guys.